Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Raquel, aka Lilcutenurse. How y'all doing? How you been? How your sister and them doing? I hope everybody's blessed. I hope everybody's staying safe. I hope everybody's family is fine. Y'all, we're going through a whole bunch right now, but for sure, for true, trouble don't last always, and we will get through this, okay? So I'm back, and I got my Ipsy box for the month of April. If I didn't say, guys, the Ipsy Glam box is a $25 a month subscription, which I do pay my own $25 a month. I'm just saying. It still says discover yourself. This is the Ipsy Glam box. I hope everybody's doing fine. If I didn't say that, I hope everybody's family fine. We're going through some trying times, but trouble don't last always, y'all. This too shall pass. Just stay strong, stay blessed, and if you have any family members that's sick and have passed, I've been praying for y'all and praying for everybody that's going through those issues, y'all. Our God is in control, okay? All right, let's open this box up and, whoa, see what I'm throwing out. Hold on a minute. Okay, first thing I dropped, I see, is the Full Bloom. Yeah, we in full bloom, all right. And this is just the list of products we got. The first thing on the list I see here is this. This is the Bloom Perfect Dutch Dirt Mask. It says it's $48. Can y'all see that? $48. The secret to fresh, dewy factor is dirt. Well, not just any dirt. The botanicals and enzymes in this mask, Dutch dirt. Ooh, okay. Wear for 20 minutes. Okay, let's see. I'm going to open this, y'all, because I want to see that this look like dirt. And I got a lot of masks. I probably shouldn't be opening this, but I want to open it. Ooh, wait, it look like dookie. It do. Let me show y'all what it look like. Oh, it look like baby poo. Look at there. Okay, let me open it up some more. Maybe I should have shook it up a little bit because it's just coming out real runny. Okay. That's going to be not so exciting to put on my face. But, oh yeah, I can feel the little scrubs in it. So, yeah. I got a video of a lot of stuff I need to use and talk to you about. Maybe we'll do this in conjunction. Thank God it don't smell what it look like. Okay, but for $48, this going into my right now use thing. If y'all want to see that video, or just do, because I got a lot of stuff we need to be using, that we need to be talking about. I'll probably do that. I'll probably do that sometime this week. Okay, that was $48. The next thing I see in here are STARRSKIN VIPCREAM mask, face mask. It says STARRSKIN VIP BLOOMEFFECTS instantly recovering luxury cream coating face and dime mask VIP. They say these are $30. No time for a spa. NBC 15 minutes with one of these sheet masks and will give your skin the same luxury look as going to the spa. $30? $15 for a sheet mask? Isn't this like in Tatcha? I guess so. Instantly recovering, reparative, and illuminate. VIP mask. Okay, we're gonna have to use one of these together, and one of these going on after my dirt mat. That still look like boo-boo to me. I'm just saying. Okay, all right, let's keep going. That was $30 for the mask. Oh, we got a bag. I like this little bag. This is what the bag look like. It's no price. It's just the Ipsy bag that they started including in all Ipsy boxes. If you get the Ipsy Glam, you got this one. If you got the $14 a month box, you got the little smaller one. And if you got the big $50 Ipsy, you got the really big bag. So yeah, that's what this look like, and I really like it. It's a real pretty green. I hope the color's not washing it out. The lights aren't washing it out, but yeah, I'm excited. That's not on the list, y'all. The next thing I have here on this list is, what is this? A GIRLACTIC? This is what it looks like. Let me bring it up so you guys can see it. GIRLACTIC JELLO Gloss Balm. Forget everything you thought you knew about lip balm. This jelly balm is anything but basic. It says it's $18 by GIRLACTIC. Seems like I've heard of GIRLACTIC, but I can't remember. $18. That's about the size of it. Wow, this says it's packed with avocado oil, vitamin E, and vitamin E to give dry lips a nourishment and moisture. The nourishment and moisture they need. Plus, an ultra glossy look is gorge on everyone. Back there, see. Let me see. Not really oily. Oh, but it puts some shimmer to my little matte lips, and it feels like a jelly. So yeah, I like this. This is gonna be my little everyday use. I like that, and it smells like strawberries. I like that. Okay, the next thing I have in here is, y'all already know, this is my favorite eyeliner. Next to, only second to my Boss eyeliner by Milk. My Milk makeup eyeliner in Boss. That is the number one. This is the second best. Only reason this is second best because they are both extremely good. But this one runs out so quick and it does smudge. It doesn't stay and stick. You have to let it kind of dry. But that Milk Makeup black eyeliner is the bomb. I really want that eyeliner in every color. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to try a different color. I'm going to get 2 different shades when I get my, when the Sephora sale rolls around. But yeah, this is, I've showed this 100 times. I love these. I'll take it out and let you guys see it. This, I think it's 21 or 20. What does it say on here? Oh, it went up $24. One end is a pencil, and this other end here is a felt tip. I'm going to leave that end closed because I don't want it to dry out, because I like the felt tip on this too. This is, if I didn't say, the TARTEIST Pro Double Take Eyeliner. One end is a pencil and one end is a felt tip. Okay, that was $24. And the very last thing I see in the Glam box, if I did I say in the beginning? This is a $25 box. I hope y'all probably already know. But anyway, the last thing I see in here is an eyeshadow palette. And this is, it says Miami. This palette retails for $20. Okay, consider these 8 shades your spring shadow essentials. The balance of neutrals and bright colors mean you can play play it safe or go all out, depending on your mood. And even though they're powder, they feel like creams. $20. Okay, I'm feeling this SHAINA B Miami mini eyeshadow palette. I don't know who SHAINA B is. If y'all know, let me know. It won't hurt my feelings if y'all know something I don't know. I really want to know who she is. But these are the shades. It looks like a real neutral palette. I'm glad it's not all sparkle. There are some mattes. This looks nice. This looks nice. Okay, I want to play in this. I don't know how good they are or not. Let me open it up. Ooh, they are soft. My finger went in there. In this one. Ooh, I put that right on top of that dookie mask. That boo-boo mask. Okay, try this dark color. Oh, I'm gonna try this gold. I want to see how, they're real soft. They do feel like butter. Okay. I like. We'll see. We'll get to play in this, guys. That's how it looks without the plastic. And they are soft. You can see where my fingers went in at. But the colors are really similar and really neutral But I do like that. I do like this palette. Okay, guys, and this is the end of my Ipsy Glam box for the month of April. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and y'all stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.